Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add your Mastercard gift card balance to your Amazon account. This is a smart way to convert your gift card into Amazon credit that you can use anytime for future purchases without worrying about losing track of the physical card. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account settings for this process. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top of the page where you'll find the search bar. Click on it and type in Amazon Reload. This is Amazon's feature that lets you add funds directly to your account balance, and it's exactly what we'll be using to transfer your Mastercard gift card balance. From the search results, click on Reload your Amazon gift card balance. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can specify how much money you want to add to your account. The page should load quickly, so you'll be ready to proceed in just a moment. On the Reload page, navigate to the Reload Amount section. Here's where you'll type in the exact balance that's available on your Mastercard gift card. It's important to enter the precise amount to ensure you use the full value without leaving any funds unused on the card. Once you've entered the amount, look over to the right panel and click Buy Now. This action will move you forward to the payment selection stage where you'll actually process the transaction. On the payment page, you'll see your current payment method displayed. Click on Change or use a different payment method. This allows you to add and select a new payment option instead of using whatever card you have saved by default. Next, click on Add a Card or Add a New Payment Method. A form will appear where you can input your card information. Go ahead and type in the Mastercard gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once everything is filled in correctly, save the card to your account. After saving, you'll need to select the Mastercard gift card as your payment method for this transaction. Make sure it's highlighted or checked so Amazon knows to charge this card instead of any others you have saved. Finally, click Place Your Order. Amazon will process the payment from your Mastercard gift card and add that exact amount to your Amazon account balance. This balance will now be available for you to use on any future purchases across the platform. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Mastercard gift card balance into your Amazon account, making it easy to spend whenever you're ready. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.